students, now I am going to explain chapter number 1 in short story book for the students of 11th and 12th class, and the name of the chapter is Salvatore. Salvatore का literally meaning होता है कोई kind hearted और generous person who is filled with the qualities of goodness. इस चैप्टर में राइटर ने Salvatore के कैरेक्टर की गुडनेस को हाईलाइट किया है. Now let's start the summary of this chapter. The author wonders if he can hold the attention of the readers for a few pages while he sketches the portrait of a man named Salvatore. In these lines, the writer is trying to hold the attention of the reader while describing the qualities of Salvatore. Salvatore, the eldest son of a fisherman, was pleasant-faced and happily took care of his two younger brothers. Salvatore was the eldest son of a fisherman and took care very gently of his two younger brothers. He fell in love and was betrothed to an unnamed girl who lived on Grand Marina. Salvatore left home to become a sailor. मतलब Salvatore को अपना घर भी छोड़ना पड़ा किसके लिए? सेलर बनने के लिए. He felt nostalgic and homesick and missed his fiancée the most. And when he was away from his house, he continuously missed his fiancée. मतलब जिससे उसकी इंगेजमेंट हो चुकी थी उस लेडी को वो कंटिन्यूसली मिस करता था. He then fell ill and he was suffering from rheumatism. Rheumatism is a kind of disease, and he suddenly suffered from this disease and he was considered unfit for further service, and because of suffering from this disease he could not continue his services. Salvatore did not mind his illness and felt happy to return to his family and fiancée. Salvatore इस वक्त अपनी illness के बारे में नहीं सोच रहा था, बल्कि he was very happy that he is returning to his family and fiancée. That means he was deeply attached with his family members. On his return, he was grandly welcomed by his family, but his fiancee's mother bluntly told him that her daughter could not marry him. Means जब वो अपने फैमिली के पास वापस लौटा अपनी सर्विस को छोड़ने के बाद, तो उसकी फैमिली ने तो उसका वेलकम किया, बट फियांसी जो मदर थी उसने उसको क्लियरली कह दिया कि उसकी डॉटर अब उससे मैरिज नहीं करेगी. दिस मेड सेल्वेटोर अनहैप्पी बट ही डिड नॉट ब्लेम द गर्ल, कि वो अब उससे मैरिज नहीं करेगी, फिर भी वो उसको ब्लेम नहीं करता है. यहाँ पर उसके कैरेक्टर की गुडनेस देखने को मिलती है. नाउ सेल्वेटोर्स मदर told him about another lady named Assunta, who is older than Salvatore, who had fallen in love with him and wanted to marry him. On his mother's advice, he got married to Assunta and had 2 children. अपनी मदर की एडवाइस पर सेल्वेटोर एसोंटा से मैरिज करने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है and he had 2 children. Salvatore had to work hard. He used to catch cuttlefish at night. He also used to work in his vineyard the whole day. In these lines, it has been described how hardworking Salvatore was. He worked whole day, at night and day also. At night he used to catch cuttlefish and at daytime he used to work in the vineyard. His rheumatism often took its toll on him. मतलब उसकी जो डिसीज़ थी rheumatism, उसकी वजह से उसे काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स भी होती थी. He would then lie about the beach with pain racking his limbs, but never did utter an unpleasant word for anyone. He often suffered from his disease and from the pain, but he never spoke a single unpleasant word about anyone. Salvatore was truly affectionate towards his children. At times he gave them a bath and used to hold them tenderly as if they were flowers. Now in these lines, how nicely he took care of his children means वो अपने children को flowers के जैसे टच करता था और उनकी केयर करता था. The author through this narrative thus sketches Salvatore's portrait as a man who possessed nothing but goodness. So through these lines Salvatore's goodness has been described. The same thing writer has tried to describe through this story.